Hello everyone, welcome to Color Our World with Art. Let's make a Stegosaurus with a plate. Materials are in the description. First, color the whole back of a paper plate green, including the edges. Cover the surface beneath the plate with scrap paper or newspaper to ensure it doesn't get dirty. Also, spread the paint with even strokes to ensure an even coverage of paint on the plate so it can dry. After letting the paint dry, cut the plate in half using the scissors. Next, on green craft foam, draw a dinosaur leg and cut it out. It should look like a bubble letter L. This is a closer look on the leg. And use that to trace and cut out another leg to make two legs. Next, draw a tail shaped somewhat like a lizard's tail but shorter, and a dinosaur's head with a neck 2 times the length of the head, similar in shape to the bubble letter L of the leg. Cut the head out. Cut the small triangular slit in the front of the snout to make a mouth. Then cut out the tail. Next, lay the half of the green plate on top of an orange piece of foam and draw a large zigzag following the edge of the plate. Then trace the edge of the curve onto the orange foam right below the zigzag. When you cut out the zigzag, cut 3 cm below the zigzag before starting to cut the zigzag itself. This is how you form the plates of the Stegosaurus. Now let's put it all together. First, stick the tail to one end of the curve, beneath the green plate. Next, take the 2 legs and paste them on the straight edge of the plate, but on top of the green plate. Next, stick the plates onto the curve of the plate, just above the tail. stick it below the green paint. And lastly, stick the head about 2 cm before the end of the curve. Also stick a googly eye and draw 2 toes using permanent marker. And that's how you get a Stegosaurus! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.